Hi, Remy Sharp here. I'm recording a quick screencast to just share a little bit of workflow that I've started using, and I wanted to share a really powerful part of DevTools. If you haven't already seen how it works, basically what I'm going to show you is I can edit and do all my coding inside of Chrome DevTools whilst seeing the live output, modify the code inside the browser still, make all my changes, and never actually have to leave the browser for certain types of workflow, which is actually quite liberating. It's still a bit limited. You can only do it for CSS and JavaScript, I believe, at the moment. I'm sure that will change soon. So here's a simple little example. I've got this simple page that uses web audio. And there's a canvas here, so when I start we don't want that, we want the white noise. So I've got some white noise here. I'm not playing it back, obviously, but it's using the analyzer and the web audio, and it's feeding it onto a canvas, and you can see it here. Now, with DevTools open, so I open up DevTools, and this is Canary, so they've started modifying a little bit the look and feel of DevTools, and the icons have gone now. But you've got shortcuts on the keyboard now, so you can select which tab you're looking at. So I'm using Command 1 2 3 4. I can navigate the files in the application by doing Command O. So I've got two files, app and tinnitus. Just hit enter and it selects the file that I'm working on. And I've got Command Shift O, which gives me all the functions that are available and things like click handlers, which is great. I can jump straight to them. It gives me a line number, so I've got an idea of where it actually is. So what I want to look at is somewhere down at the bottom. Yeah, so I can start typing update and it will kind of narrow down the list for me. So what I'm going to do here is just make a few changes. Hopefully you already know about this. You can just kind of stick your mouse cursor straight in and we can just go to blue. And if I hit Command S, it'll save the file in memory and actually update it, so we can see it's blue in the canvas, but also it's prompting me to save the file. So I'm going to hit save and overwrite the tinnitus file. So save, replace, and now maybe blue is not right. I want RGBA, great start, RGBA T5 RGB T55. I'm going to do 0.5. Just hit save again. All right, that's neat. And I can change my stroke. I've got cyan there. Maybe use a bit of cyan. Screw it, that's enough playing around with that. But it's really to show you that because I'm inside of this loop, this request animation frame, it just keeps on kind of looping around. I'm seeing in real time the actual update, but I can hit refresh and the code has been saved to a real file. All these files are actually being modified on the disk once I've told Chrome DevTools where the actual file is. So really awesome, powerful bit of workflow there. Really useful to me. Hopefully that's useful to some of you folks out there. I believe you can kind of select any resource as long as it's a separate asset. I don't think you can actually go ahead and edit the HTML. So yeah, things like here, I can't actually modify the HTML, but I'm sure that's something that will come, or maybe I just don't know how to turn it on properly. So, yep. Otherwise, it's nearly Christmas, so have a good one. Cheers for watching.